Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today, I wanted to do something fun. So I bought some things that will help me create this look. It's nothing fancy, but there's gonna be a special spin to it. So let's just jump right into it. I'm gonna turn myself into a jack-o'-lantern. Let's just get started. So I did get the orange cream makeup, and I'm really hoping that this doesn't stain my face. Yeah, we'll start with the orange. Oh my god, this is gonna be hilarious. Oh, that's freezing. So maybe next time I'll do a Halloween look that doesn't make me look super ugly. But today, it's about who cares if you look hot. Am I right, ladies? Alright. Just thinking about what I'm about to do is just already funny to me. Oh my god. What's wrong with me? Oh, I have to go over my eyebrows. Do you think I'll cover my eyebrows? Maybe. Ooh. Ew. Ew! Maybe I should have glued them down. Oh, okay. We'll just... We're gonna move on. It's 9 o'clock at night. It's a Friday night. This is what I do on Friday nights. I'm fully capable of going out and having drinks, but would I rather sit here and paint my face like a pumpkin? Yes. Okay. We got our base done. Snatched for the gods. I chose like the worst part of the eye. Moving on, moving on. So trying to make them even is gonna be a pain. Alright. How far out did I go? Wait, why am I starting down with this one? Oh my god, why is this doing to my eyebrow? Can we fix it? No. What is going on? Let's make this one. Why do I feel like my face is not symmetrical? What is my eyebrow hair doing? Okay. Ugh, just move on. Just move on. Let's move on to the outline of the face. Just go up. Ah! Oh, why is this so much harder than it has to be? We'll come back to that too. Oh no! Did I really start? Okay, wait. Wait! Oh no! Wait, should I really just do... Wait, why is this orange so much darker? I really messed this up. Do I dare? Do I dare? This is already stressful. Am I really only gonna have 2 teeth?
An Am A Jackolantern has 3!
Alright, let's just start filling this guy in. Why am I not even capable of drawing a pumpkin on my face? That's what I want to know. And I'm choosing to use like one of the tiniest brushes in the world. It makes a lot of sense. Okay, I don't know where I'm going. You tell me this isn't hard. And I'm sober. The lines are not gonna be perfect, but we're just gonna pretend that they are. Okay? Okay. I don't even know how to fix this. We're just gonna... Why are there kids yelling outside my window? It's literally 9 at night.
Go to bed.
This side is perfect. Like, I killed this side. But this just needs to be destroyed, bro. I got black on it. I don't even know how to fix this. Why don't we just go like that? We'll bring that up. Okay. Okay, 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 okay. No, 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 no. No! Is that green? Where the We're gonna let that dry. We're gonna leave that alone. We're gonna let it dry and then we'll paint over it, okay? I'm stressing out. I'm stressed out. Oh my god, I'm just being too careless. Good enough for me. Wish my eyebrows would have gone away, but it's fine. That's character. I want to know why this is like dark orange. What's happening to me? It looks like I have blush on. I don't want blush on. Go. Away. Don't want blush on. Why is this dark orange? Why does a second coat make it like a whole different color? Now I have to do a second coat to the whole thing. Oh my god. I liked the color that it was. That's so weird how it's turning. Okay, why is it also disappearing from my face? Can you like just chill? Chill. So... I just looked at myself for a while. Oh my god, I am a monster! For my favorite part. Obviously, a pumpkin has a stem. I had a brilliant idea how to make this a stem. I would use my hair as the prop. Okay, I got the cheapest styling gel on Amazon, so I don't know how well this is gonna work, but I guess we'll find out. I want to be full unicorn. Why are my dogs trying to get in on this?
Get away from me!
Can we just pretend? Well, you know what? We tried. We're gonna just let that do its thing now that it's all nasty. I need it to stick up. It will make me happy if it sticks up. Oh, could I use that? Okay. Restarting. We're restarting. I think I did it. Did I do it? Wait, can we do it just like this? Please, please, please don't. Don't fall, please. I feel like a Who from Whoville. Oh my god, my abs hurt. Yes, their stems are not this long, but I am a special pumpkin. Oh, I wish I did another tooth. It's fine. Imagine you're just sitting there and you see this staring at you. Well, it fell forward now. This is my new look. I'm having too much fun. I gotta go.